This is an M40 engine, 4-cylinder, 1600cc. It's just a basic trim level. Nothing much has been done on the engine.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm V. Now, late last year 2022, my friend from work, Dennis, he came to me and told me he wanted to buy this old BMW E30 car. I didn't know what to tell him. I didn't want to tell him that it was a bad car or it was old. I don't know what. I just told him, you know what, if you have the money, go for it. So he bought the car. And now here I'm going to show you all the details that were done on this car up to how it's looking currently, and you can tell me what you think about it, about this old car and how it turned out in the comment section below. Hii project itaisha ikipanda next year huko nini? Ini Bmw what? E30. On the work that has been done on this car, Dennis got new rims and tires. They also did an engine service. Now on this particular day we were here because the guys were doing scrubbing, like removing the old paint and redoing the paint later on, which I will insert a photo. They also did rear wheels, shocks and greasing of the parts.
Kama hii ingekuwa imefunguliwa, ingekuwa inaonekana spana ilifungua hivi.
Hiyo ni
hii ni manual treated na kanga.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off.
Wacha tuone hii itakuwa before after, tuone after.
Lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon.
Guys, this is the car you saw. Si chafu iko sawa. Ongea?
hataki kuongea. Inataka mchana.
Ama ni hiyo vile umesema? Okay, let's go back. Tunabeba ni kama tunaenda service yani. Yeah, this is how it's looking guys. Sikumbuki ile vitu tulifanya last time. Haya, funga basi. Hujafunga?
Nataka kukula nyinyi, nataka kuangalia.
Haya, fungua basi. Unataka kukula saa hizi? Mbona watu wanatuangalia hivyo? Wale wa hiyo Mazda yenu. For some reason, now, Dennis decided to name this left-hand drive car Rosie. It's a beautiful car and I'm happy that I told him to buy it even when I wasn't so sure about it myself. Now, on most occasions, I get a free ride to my place after work. It's a beautiful car. Let us know what you think in the comment section below.
Never gonna stop if it's controlling